Would you like to show different messages to people at the end of your form? That's easy with Forms app's intuitive features. This video will cover how to use the calculator settings to create custom messages for your thank you page. So, let's get started. First, make sure you are on the Calculator tab and have assigned points to answers. Click on the gear icon at the top right and open the calculator settings. Toggle the switch and enable the Customize Thank You page option. Click on the Add New Range button and define a score range like this. Write your custom message for this range and hit the Save button. Repeat these steps to create as many score ranges as you want. Now, different messages will appear on the thank you page based on the answers of your respondents. For more guides like this, please check out our YouTube channel and watch our other tutorials.